Hi guys, how are you? Teacher Mario here. Before today's lesson, please check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv where I share grammar notes, exercises, and more for you to do on your own pace. The links will be in the description. We're going to start with the second topic from Unit 2, Cleft sentences. Cleft sentences are used to focus attention on a particular piece of information and to emphasize what we want to say. Because there are two parts of the sentence, it is called cleft, from the verb cleave, which means divided into two. Let's go through part 1 of cleft sentences. You can add the WH question what and the form of be to a sentence when you want to emphasize information. The resulting sentence is called cleft sentence. Mind the following changes from a person's smile is really important to me, which is primary information without emphasis, to what's really important to me is a person's smile. Remember, we add the word what and the form of be, and with these changes we build emphasis on a person's smile. Now, another example of this would be, I'm interested in the subjects people talk about. Changes to what I'm interested in is, or what I'm interested in are the subjects people talk about. Now part 2 of cleft sentences. For sentences with verbs other than be, place what at the beginning of the sentence and a form of be after the main verb. For example, I always notice a person's hands. Changes to what I always notice is a person's hands. Another example of this would be, I appreciate a person with a good sense of humor. Changes to what I appreciate is a person with a good sense of humor. In this category, the emphasis is built on the last part of your sentence. Now, part 3 of cleft sentences. To emphasize the whole sentence, rather than just the part following the main verb, use a cleft sentence with what and a form of the verb do. Let's see a few examples. I try to project a positive attitude. A non-complex sentence with no emphasis whatsoever. Now, what I try to project is a positive attitude. Here, the emphasis is in a positive attitude, following the rules we mentioned earlier. Now, what I do is try to project a positive attitude. Here, the emphasis is in the whole sentence. Another example of this would be, she complained to the waiter about the quality of the food. Would it change to, what she complained about to the waiter was the quality of the food. And finally, it would change to, what she did was complain to the waiter about the quality of the food. Now, time for part 4. Cleft structures can include expressions like the reason why, the thing that, the place where, and the person who. These structures are typically used with the verb be. Let's see a few examples. Number 1. I am wearing sunglasses to protect my eyes. Would change to, the reason why I'm wearing sunglasses is to protect my eyes. Number 2. I do all my shopping at the mall. Would change to, the place where I do all my shopping is at the mall. Please make sure you practice, and if you have any doubt, let me know down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. See you on the next topic.